You are welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you 6 proven hidden ways to make consistent money creating marketing videos. Now, I will start from the very first one, which is the number 1 on how to make consistent money for creating marketing videos. The first thing is, or let me say the first one is, it increases your sales and profits. Marketing videos increase your sales and profits. No matter what your business is, add video to it. People see you as authority when you add videos to your advert. Your marketing strategies will be different and you will have more click-through rates, more engagement, more conversion rates if you add video to your marketing. People buy more when they see you adding videos to your marketing strategies. You can also use this to generate leads. Yes, people love watching videos. You yourself, you love watching videos. Yes, I personally like video. Even you, if you see a video ads, you will pause and watch it. If you see if you are on a social media and you see a video ad, an image ad, which one will attract you? Yes, which one will attract your attention most between the video ads and image ads? Video ads, of course. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube is world of videos. In fact, YouTube has taken over all social media. You don't need to hire anybody to edit videos for you anymore. Once you learn how to edit videos, you don't need anybody to edit video for you. Your smartphone is enough. And if you have laptop or desktop computer, it's additional. So test this, include it in your marketing strategy, and you will see that your sales will double, will be even multiplied by 10. Now, number 2, how you can make money creating marketing videos. Set up video marketing agency. Yes, if you set up video marketing agency, you'll be making money creating videos for business owners, entrepreneurs, organizations. You can charge as 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, 20,000, and as low as 5,000 creating video ads. When you set up video marketing agency, you'll be making money creating videos for others, for organizations. You can also create video adverts for schools, for private schools, because they want their school to be well known. They want their school to go viral on social media, and they want more students, or let me say more children, to enroll in their school. They want parents to bring their children to their school. And one of the best way is that when they create awareness on social media. So their video adverts will go viral and it will create awareness for people that there is a school in a particular place. Creating video for them will generate you huge amount of money. Creating video for people is high-paying skills that you should not miss. The third way through which you can make consistent money creating video ads, creating marketing video, is upsell marketing video creation service. If you are already running online businesses, you can create videos, marketing videos for those running business, e.g. salon, real estate. and more. Those that are the caterer, those that are baking cakes, you can create video ads for them. Then you add your watermark to it, send it to them. If they like it, you don't need to wait for them before you create video ads for them. Create video ads, but make sure that you have become a professional, that the video you are creating, it is standout videos. Create it, add watermark to it, then ask them, send it to them and ask them if they like it. So you can create something like that for them. When you send this to them, that do you like it? Okay, I can create something like this for you. Or you create it for their own business. Make sure you know the names, their contacts, know everything. Then put it in the video. Tell them you can create something like this for them. And when you create it for them, when you send it to them, add your watermark. That is, you have created a video for them. With their business name, their contact, address, everything. Add your watermark on it, so that when you send this to them, when they like it, then you tell them that you will remove your watermark from the video. So when they pay you, you remove the watermark from the video and you send it to them. So someone is launching a product, let them know they will stand out from the crowd and competitors if you create video ads for them. You will see that you'll be making consistent money creating video ads. So the third way now through which you can make consistent money creating video ads is creating unique animation YouTube channels. Or you create unique YouTube channels. That is another way to make money. What is common on YouTube is everyone is carrying camera recording videos. You see this recording videos, carrying videos, recording, uploading it on YouTube. What if you start something different? You start animation channel, or you start creating inspiration channel. You create inspiration channel. What if you start teaching channel, where you teach people without showing your face? What if you start messaging channel, where you upload audio, you convert audios to videos and you upload it, message inspiration, you upload it without showing your face on YouTube. Especially if you want to quickly reach out to audience. And the funnest part of it is that you don't need technical tools. Yes. Only your smartphone is enough. Your smartphone. Every video you see in this training, I use my smartphone to create it. Even though I have a laptop, but I'm not using it. I'm using my smartphone. But if you want to use your laptop, good and fine, you can use your laptop. But your smartphone is enough to start. Now, the fourth way through which you can make money creating market videos is creating on-demand marketing video marketplace. Yes, you can create different types of videos. You can create, then you set up video markets. You send it to social media so that when people see it, they will order for it. When they see a particular video, they click on it and order for it, that create this type of video for me. That is on-demand market video, on-demand marketing video marketplace. By then you will create different type of videos for different organizations. You send it to social media, and on getting to social media, you will see people will start telling you, sending you message that you should create a particular type of video for them. And I think there is something like that on Amazon. Yes, I think there is something like that on Amazon Marketplace. And there are different people you can mold. When you go to YouTube, you go to Instagram or Amazon. Yes, you see people that you can mold it, or you see people that you can mold when you are creating videos, so that you're able to create something similar to what they have created. So you don't need to disturb your brain before you create a video. Yes. So the fifth point, second to the last point on how to make money creating marketing videos, is when you teach others. Teach others. A lot of people doesn't know how to create videos. Yes. And that is why I'm teaching you this course. You learn it, practice it, and master it. You learn video marketing, you learn how to create videos, different type of video. You practice it, you master it, then you teach people and get paid. Video marketing is very, very expensive. Teaching people how to create video, you see that people are not much. Those that are creating video are not many, unlike graphic design. Many people are creating graphic design. Graphic design is just like tailoring, fashion design, where many people are into fashion design. Likewise, many people are into graphic, but very few people are into video editing because it is high-paying skills. So you can run online training, physical training. In fact, you can create your video and create video adverts around the training. Create videos adverts around the training that you want to teach people, and you see how people will be rushing to learn. I have trained a lot of people, and you can charge them from $10, $5, which is equivalent to either 10,000, 20,000, and you can charge as low as 5,000 in naira. You can convert that to your country currency. So there are a lot of money in creating videos, creating marketing videos. Once you create a market video, a market video training, how to edit videos with the use of smartphone. Once you create it, you need just one time to create it. You can sell it every day of your life. You can sell it throughout a year. You can run Facebook ads if you know how to run Facebook ads. And if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, I can show you how to run Facebook ads. And that is how you'll be making your money. So when you teach others, when you teach other people, you see they will come to you and you will get paid. And the last point, don't forget what we are discussing about. 6 proven hidden ways to make consistent money creating marketing videos, either online and offline. And this is the 6th point, which is setting up video gig on various freelance platform like Fiverr, Upwork. This is where you render your skill as a service and you get paid in dollar. Over video on Freelancer, you will make a lot of money. So make use of this opportunity to learn how to create different type of marketing videos. In case you don't know Freelancer websites, these are websites where people come to hire people, to hire experts to do a particular job for them and get paid. Now, I want to ask, how much can you make creating marketing videos? So let's have a look at how much you can make creating marketing videos. So let's check through Fiverr and see how much money you can make creating marketing videos.